Hello teachers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be looking at an activity on algebra equation for primary 6 students. Please be informed that students have prior knowledge on identifying the differences between algebraic and arithmetic equation, as well as solving word problems involving the four operations. The learning outcomes for this activity are: students will be able to solve simple equation in word problem. That's for cognitive domain level 4. As for affective domain, students will be able to suggest two family bonding activities to improve the relationship between the family members. Alright, on to the activity. Students will listen to this story about Aiden and Aaron. In the Brooke household, there is a lovely couple. The couple had their first son and they called him Aiden. When Aiden started speaking, he said he wanted a baby sibling. Mr. and Mrs. Brooke thought that Aiden might be lonely as the only child, so they wanted a second child. However, they had difficulties in conceiving another child. Therefore, they looked to IVF treatment to increase their chance. After a few failed attempts, finally, they had their second son, and they named him Aaron. Aiden was excited to have a baby brother to play with despite being 10 years older than Aaron. In 2020, their total age is 26 years old. Find out Aaron and Aiden's current age. After listening to the story, students are allowed to take autonomy in their learning by selecting the difficulty of tasks on their own. We are encouraging challenging spirit for those students who are more mathematically able. As for students who are less mathematically able, we allow them to learn by using pictorial approach. In this case, it would be bar modeling. Students will form and solve the word problem by using bar modeling. This is an example of using bar modeling to find the equation and solve it. Bar modeling helps students to visualize and form the equation easily. As for higher level students will solve the word problem by forming and solve the equation on the worksheet given. After students have found the solution, they will be paired up to discuss two family bonding activities that are age appropriate for the siblings to have good bonding. Keep in mind that the activities suggested have to take both Aiden and Aaron's age as well as their parents in mind. Some expected answers are movie night, board game hour, or weekend picnic. How do we assess the learning outcomes? If students are able to solve the word problem correctly, these students has achieved LO1. If the students are able to suggest two age-appropriate activities for Aiden and Aaron, this student has achieved LO2. Alright, that's the end of our video. Hope you find it helpful. If you have any inquiries, feel free to reach us out.